Yeah, fuel mix is good.
Makes you look at anything around. It's not too. What's a Z50 they're getting at the moment?
124.
How much did you get last time? 127.
Yeah, up at Dynaworks.
Yeah, we'll find the same at 120.
Love the flames out of that. So good. Yeah.
I missed it.
Have a look, see.
Take a peek. Done.
Chicken flames.
Spicy, bro. You light a cigarette on that?
You. 120.
Sounds like more violent when they're stationary, doesn't it?
50, yeah. Yeah.
120.8.
Whose is that?